Papa. What happened? Say good morning. Good morning. Yeah, Poo Poo? But I thought we were potty training. Huh? I thought we were potty training.
Ew!
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I know that in the beginning of my channel, which I've posted a couple months back, my first video, I know that there were like DIYs and things for kids and you know, like the slime stuff, if you've seen my previous videos. So pretty much what I'm trying to get to is that I was trying to find what I wanted to do with my channel, and as a mom of a 2.5-year-old, I don't really have time to have like a sit down and like do the DIYs or like do something that doesn't include my son, because I am pretty much with him all day, so he doesn't really give me the time to just sit down and do my DIYs. So as of now, my channel is going to be pressing the reset button and we will be doing daily vlogs. And I picked to do daily vlogs because of the fact that it is something realistic for me to do, and something possible for me to do where I can include him. So yeah, if you are just now watching my channel for the first time, be sure to subscribe and like my channel, and yeah, so you can see more of us. But anyways, so I'm just gonna be doing a kind of get ready with me. Me and my son have a lot of errands to do today, and we are going to be bringing you guys along. So yeah, going back to my vlogging, I really hope that you guys enjoy it, and I am going to be as real as possible, and I'm gonna be trying to be realistic, you know, like sometimes I see these vlogs on YouTube and these you know, people who vlog their daily life or some of the days, and I just like, you think that their life is perfect and you're like, well, like, why can't my life be like that? And to be real with you guys, no one's life is like that, you know? Like how can I explain it? Like, some of these videos, like, they like wake up with a full face of makeup and like with their hair done, and you're like, you know, you didn't wake up like that. So this being my first vlog, I want to start off being as real as possible with you guys. You know, we're all human, we all make mistakes. Not everyone lives like one another. Everyone is different. Everyone has different beliefs and lives different ways. I do want to tell you guys a little bit more of what my channel is going to be consisting of. So my channel is going to be vlogs and sit down videos, things that I think that are good for you guys. You know, like, if I find something that I feel like will be beneficial to you guys as well, I'll sit down and talk about certain things. I want this channel to pretty much be, you know, about me and my family, and I want to be able to be open about my thoughts. And yeah, I want to be, so I'm going to be showing you hauls and you know, sit down videos, story times, vlogging, so you guys have a lot coming up. And I am going to try my very best to be posting at least one video a week, and I don't want to say any more than that. If I end up posting more, great, but if I don't, then I don't want you guys to be like, oh, why didn't you post, and this and that, you know. This is pretty much like my first video that my channel is going to be based on. Here he is waiting for his mama. Here he is waiting for his mama.
Ada, here.
Alright, I'll see you guys in the car for the third time. Alright guys, so we are officially in the car, and we are on our way to our first appointment with my little man. And you guys saw how I woke up so pretty. No, but like I said, I want to be real with you guys, and that's what you guys are gonna see. So get ready to see that beautiful face almost every day, boy, because your girl, that's how she wakes up. But anyway, so we are driving to our first appointment, and then after our first appointment we are going to go to Target and get this little boy. Right now he's on his potty, like an actual potty, but he needs one to go onto the adult toilets. But yeah, he's been doing so good potty training. I'm gonna have a separate video for that and tell you guys how I did it. They could potty train. Yeah, I'm telling them how you are potty training. You know how to go potty, right? Yes? Yeah, you know how to go potty. Yes. He gets shy. So yeah, we're working on that, and like I said, I'll make a separate video for those of you interested to have little babies as well and want to get started on potty training. So I'll have a video of that up soon. As far as my vlogging, this is my first video, and you will see our beautiful faces more frequently. Hey guys, so we are now at Walmart. I'm here trying to find parking. We're gonna buy his potty, and most likely I will buy something else, knowing me. So yeah, let's go ahead and go to Walmart. So I'm currently filming in my kitchen because this is the best lighting I have currently. So after me and my son ate lunch, we came home and we did some of our ABCs and some 1, 2, 3s and all that good stuff. So I'm currently teaching him that as well. And what else? After a little bit later, I started cooking dinner, and my fiance took him a shower. So now he's all tucked and warm in bed. I'm here about to clean the kitchen, but I wanted to end this vlog. I wanted to say thank you guys for watching my first vlog, and I hope to see you guys again soon. As you guys can tell, I had a really long day. My face is literally melting and my face is super greasy, so I can't wait to go wash it off. But I wanted to thank you guys for watching my video. Please like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this one, and I really hope to see you guys again. And yeah, bye.